Guys, we found a blockbuster video in this DVD collection. Alright guys, Chris here, also known as Mr. Thrifter, and I got a little something special for you guys. So the thrift store that I usually pick up books from, who just give me free books, contacted me this week and they said that they have a bunch of DVDs that they just don't want anymore and they're just willing to give them to me. And so in my mind I was thinking, well, this is probably going to be a bunch of crappy DVDs and nobody wants. But what the heck? They have Shrek, Flight of the Conchords, Star Wars. There's no way that they can't sell these. And some of this stuff, like just look at this stuff. This is stuff that's like good movies, good DVDs. I guess people just don't buy DVDs anymore. Like, I'm not sure how that works. Look, there's even TV shows, 4400. There's a bunch of stuff in here that, like, I can't wait to go through because I'm sure there's some cool stuff. Plus, I got this box right here as well. You know, we got a bunch of cool things to go through. Like, I don't even know what this stuff is. I'm assuming this is all brand new cassettes. Like, what? I don't know. I got to check this up. But let's go through this stuff. So as a general rule, guys, what I do is I'm only going to be scanning these for Amazon. Most of these I'm gonna scan them all for Amazon. My rule is if they are at least under 15,000 rank in Canada for sales ranks, then they're good for Amazon. If they sell for a bit more money, then maybe I'll go up to 20,000 sales rank, but nothing more than that. Because anything more than that, I'm going to be sitting on the DVD for too long. A lot of people have stopped buying DVDs recently, so we're gonna, oh look, Wolverine. So I'm gonna go through all these and see if we can find some pretty cool things. I did find this right over here. Look at this. Where is it? This. So this right here, again, I don't know why they would just give me this for free. It's a Harry Potter complete 8-film trilogy. All the discs are in there, but there's only the first, I think 5 movies are in here, but there's no missing discs. All the discs are in good condition. I'm assuming that there might be, if this is complete, there might be another case like this somewhere in here that has the rest of the movies in it. So I'm going to have to find that somewhere. Hopefully that's in here, but if not, this thing by itself, I'm sure I could sell this on Facebook Marketplace if it's incomplete. Hey, check out this movie, guys. This movie right here, Notes on a Scandal. Honestly, I didn't really expect it to be worth anything, but it's got a great rank, and there's no one selling it new, but it's selling used for about 18 bucks. So, yeah, it's probably one of those rare DVDs that, you know, are hard to find. So, definitely going to throw that into the next Amazon box. All right, we got looks like a brand new copy of the movie Babe. I don't really have high hopes because it has a big $4.99 price tag there on the front cover. So, usually, it's probably an indication that it came from like a dollar store or something like that. But God, I'm trying to get it out of here. Hold on. It's really stuck in there. All right. Yeah, it's brand new, still sealed. Let's see how much this sells for. So I checked up this Babe movie on Amazon, and there is a listing there, but there's nobody selling this at all. But it's got a lot of reviews for this movie, so maybe I could put it up as brand new and put up the price a little bit higher because maybe there is something, maybe it is in demand, just because it's got a lot of reviews and no one's selling it at the moment. There's also the eBay option as well. I scanned the barcode for eBay, nothing came up, so I don't know, maybe I'll just toss this into the Amazon warehouse and see what happens. So I'm going through a lot of these DVDs, and I noticed a lot of them have like this tape that shuts the case shut. A lot of them have the tape. They seem to be on most of the DVDs, and I'm assuming, I'm thinking like, was that done by the thrift store that gave me these, or is it possible that these DVDs were donated to the thrift store from a video shop that was shutting down? And I think that's the case. I could be wrong, but I feel like most of these DVDs came from a video store that closed down, and so they just gave me whatever they donated to them. Well, my suspicion actually is kind of true because here's one, Tears of the Sun. It says rent me or buy me right on the cover, so I'm assuming some of these at least came from like a video store or something like that. Here's a little tip, guys, when going through used DVDs. Always scan horror movies. This one is not the best, but I've come to realize that certain like hidden gem horror movies, like horror movies that you would never even have ever heard of. Ginger Snaps I have heard of though. Ginger Snaps is pretty popular, but there are certain like obscure horror movies, and I find that horror movies seem to work best when it comes to just high markup. So if you ever see like weird looking horror movies on DVD, always scan them because sometimes they could be worth some pretty good money actually. Here's another really good one, Flesh and Blood. It's honestly, it's got an amazing rank, and it's selling new for 30 bucks, and there's no one selling FBA used. So that's a great opportunity right there. Definitely gonna throw that into the box. Continuing along here, and I thought this movie Rise looked like it was pretty nice because it was instead of like a sleeve. And then I saw a David Chappelle film. I was like, oh, it's made by Dave Chappelle. But no, it's David LaChapelle, and it's actually worth nothing at all, this thing. Guys, we found a Blockbuster video in this DVD collection. It has Blockbuster right there. The insides say Blockbuster. This is an actual movie from Blockbuster. I always like going through these DVDs because you always find some cool things. Like this movie right here, I never even heard of it, but it says there's a George Lucas director's cut of this movie. So that obviously increases the value a little bit. It's nothing worth. It's not worth that much money, but it's just interesting to find like these rare, obscure DVDs in this collection. And it's like it's treasure hunting. Honestly, that's what this is. It's like I like going through this box because you never know what you're gonna find. So we have our first rare find of the day. This is Vice Squad on DVD, and it's on Amazon, but the sales rank isn't that great. And on eBay, there's some recent sold listings of this DVD within the $30 to $40 range. So this one is definitely worth more than your average DVD, and I'm not entirely sure why, but just like I suspected, a DVD I've never heard of, very obscure, going to be worth more. So definitely going to put this up on eBay. Here's one, the Painted Veil. This one has a pretty okay, well actually pretty good sales rank. There's no one selling this used or new at the moment, so definitely gonna take advantage of that. Here is a movie, Vampire Academy. It fits my criteria for under 15,000 rank, and there's no one selling it new, but there's someone selling it used for 16 bucks, so definitely room to make some money with this. So that second box didn't have as much stuff in it as I would like there to be, but I did find some stuff to sell on eBay and Amazon as well. So on top right over here we got some of these are just audio CDs. They came up as good sales ranks on Amazon. I got two of these. These are 2 packs right here. They both have 2 CDs in them, and they both sell for like 16 bucks used on Amazon. And I found these Tony Little Gazelle training DVDs. This guy was pretty big in the 80s, I believe. And I found one there. This one's actually sealed still, and I see a few sold comps of these DVDs on eBay. So Christmas is coming around the corner. I might as well put this one up, especially this one because it's brand new, still sealed. There's also this one here, Malibu Pilots. This thing here, I don't really know much about this, but I do see a few sold comps of these on eBay as well. So I don't know if I'm going to lock these up with this one. I might make its own listing, but this as well on eBay. And I found this. So I did notice I found this. Now, I don't understand why they would give me this for free. Like, there's no way that the thrift store that I pick up my stuff from can't sell Harry Potter, a complete 8-film collection. Now, inside of here, there's only the first 5 movies. So I'm assuming that there was supposed to be like a separate case altogether that had the rest of the movies in it. But I couldn't find it, so I got the first 5. I could probably still sell this on Facebook, so that's where I'm probably going to post this, because it's incomplete. I don't want to send that into Amazon. I don't want to sell that on eBay. I mean, I could sell it on eBay, but I'd probably sell it faster just through Facebook Marketplace. And then these over here were just some of the good DVDs that I got that are going to go into my next Amazon box. And then on top of that, they also gave me this thing. It's called Bookman, and for those of you who don't know, the thrift store where I pick up my stuff from, they actually call me Chris the Bookman. They write it on all the boxes that they give me so that they know those boxes are for me. So I don't know if they just gave this to me as a joke or they really just didn't want to sell it. But this is a Bookman. It's the Holy Bible King James Version. I'll open it for you guys. So this thing right here, it's almost like it's a digital version of a Bible. So it's very interesting. It does work. I tested it. It comes on Holy Bible, King James Version. You enter the passage, I guess, and it will bring it up, and you could read it out. And it's just like a digital version of a Bible. Now, I've never heard of these things before. I've never seen them, but I looked them up on eBay, And sure enough, this exact model, I saw sold listings of this thing for anywhere from $30 to $50. So this one's working fine. I did test it, and it's in pretty decent condition. So I'm assuming I can get anywhere from 30 to 50 bucks for it. So really great that they threw this in there. Did not expect that. So after going through all of the movies in that huge box, these were all the duds inside of this box right here. And so all of these movies here, I've actually organized them into different types of categories. So this category right here is science fiction / horror. This category is, I think, action, thriller, drama. This pile is comedy. This pile is, I think, drama, more action, thriller, drama. And then that last one down here is like, kind of just like chick flicks and like romantic comedies and stuff like that. And I'm gonna put each one of those piles on Facebook Marketplace and name them like horror movie marathon, girls night in, and just put like $20 or $15 for each stack. And hopefully I give someone a good deal and still make some money on the DVDs where I can't sell on Amazon.